My vision for this brand is to create a connection by tapping thoughtfulness in every gift. Thoughtfulness translates to gestures that elicit probably a glint of excitement, a gentle smile, or whatever version of feeling warm and special.
Tuwa po sila sa brush.
This was the official launch of the very first product of Oliveandrain. A giver cannot be thoughtful without putting thoughts about the recipient. For event souvenirs, corporate giveaways, if you are honoring a loved one, celebrating a meaningful occasion, get this longboard from Oliveandrain. Or simply brightening someone's day. Happy morning! Or even giving a treat to yourself just because you deserve self-love. Feel free to scroll and find anything interesting among the gift ideas presented here. Feel free to offer your thoughts and needs. We may not have it all yet, but maybe we can always create. Let's see where we can collaborate. At Oliveandrain, we think about what makes a great gift. And hey, even the simple can be mindful. Make it resonate. Evoke the bespoke. And then your gift may mean unwrapping joy. Discover the art of giving with Oliveandrain, a brand dedicated to curating gift ideas that speak to the heart.